Hello, this is Winnie from Landpack Machinery. Today I will teach you how to use this Premade bag filling machine. Okay, let's go. Okay, firstly, you need to connect the machine wire with your factory supplier and according the different marks you can see. The second step is connect the tubes and push here. Insert the tube. And if you want to remove it, also push here and remove the tube. Okay. Next, we turn on the main switch of this machine and turn on the switch of this temperature controller. And you can see this number. If the green one and the red one become the same, you can use. Next step, we check this panel. If it's red, we push the valve. Okay, it's used. If everything is okay, you can see this touch screen. Choose your language, English. And this one is the capacity of the machine. And this one is the production quantity of the machine. If you want to check how many bags you are produced today, and you can see this data. And if you want to clear it, you can push this button continuously. Okay, it will become 0. And this one is speed setting. Now it's 30 bags per minute. And if you want to slow down the speed, you can push it and set 25. Okay, now it's 25 bags per minute. And the next step, press this button and the machine is functioning. And if you want to stop it, you can press this button. Okay, it stopped. And if the machine is broken, you can push this emergency button. Push it. If it's okay, you can lose it. Okay. Now push your bags into this horizontal bag feeder. And you can see this bag width is smaller than this gap. And you can tighten this screw and make sure the bag width is the same as this gap. Okay, and push the bags. Push it. And this side, the back side, push this structure. And you can see this mark. Comes on. Okay, next step. We need to adjust this structure. And make sure this wheel is the same place with this back width. And make sure this suction doesn't block these wheels. And now we need to pull open this structure. And okay, you can see this side. If your machine has this vertical bag feeder, and put your bags into this structure. And you can loose this screw. And it will be suitable for wider bags. And this screw is for bag length. Loose it and pull open. Suitable for longer bags. Okay. Okay, these are our operating guide. If you have more questions, please contact with our after sales team. Bye bye.